In this video I'm going to show you how to fix issue when App Store search not working on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, check your internet connection. You need to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. For that, I tap on my Wi-Fi icon and here I see that my device is connected, and also I can reconnect device if there is some Wi-Fi troubles. I toggle it off, then toggle it on, then connect to working Wi-Fi network, and then I can try another solution for that issue. Go back here, and there I can check software updates. Maybe App Store search not working properly because your software is too up to date. To check this, scroll down a little and tap here General, and there software update. Here I see that automatic updates on my device is on, and here I see that there is new version of software is ready to download and install. Tap on download and install button to install that newest version of your software. The next thing you may check once you are in your settings is enabled or disabled your airplane mode. If your airplane mode is enabled, the App Store search wouldn't be able to work properly because your internet connection is blocked since airplane mode is enabled. So disable it, and here you can also check if your VPN is connected. If you use VPN, you can tap here. If that status is connected, just toggle off this slider. And there is also one more thing you can try. If your App Store search is not working properly, just restart the app. Do like that and then open your app again. There was 5 most common reasons why App Store search may not work properly on your iPhone, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.